Hi, criminal justice students. My name is Jackie, and I'm the librarian here at Blue Mountain Community College. And you have a research paper you have to do. And part of that requires using some of our library resources to help you find the best information kind of as quickly as possible. I make these tutorials to help you find what you need to become effective and efficient. So instead of fishing around using Google, let me just show you some things that you can use here. So where you'll want to start is the college homepage. If you click up here on library, this will take you to here, our library homepage. And I'm just going to walk you through two of our databases super quick. Library databases right here. Our library databases are available off campus. I know you're doing most of your research at home, at the coffee shop, wherever. These are all available 24/7. You can even use them on your phone if that's what's best for you. Most students use our top library databases here. And the two I'm going to show you today, one's Opposing Viewpoints, one is the Academic One file. So if we click on Opposing Viewpoints, it's a really good database for getting you background information on a topic. It's really kind of that large topic. It tends to be hot topics. As we scroll down, there is a search box, but as we scroll down, it's really organized by big subject headings. So this is a criminal justice class. You might find yourself looking more in the law and politics section, perhaps. So if you click View All, you're going to see just a whole bunch of different topics on law and politics. So if you're really interested in something to do with prisons, you can certainly look at that. If you're looking at specific issues with I don't know, immigration, or if you're looking, they also have some just on crime and criminal justice too, cybercrime, that sort of thing, DNA technology and crime. That's kind of fun. Let's look at that one. But there's also drug trafficking and such too. But let's do this one. I haven't seen this one before. DNA technology and crime. So this is what these reports tend to look like. There's an overview. There tends to be different viewpoints. These viewpoints talk about, different ways this topic could be examined, from different points of view. And sometimes reading both of those can be really helpful. I'm going to click on viewpoints just to see more of them. But what you can do is, this person is arguing DNA testing reveals serious problems in the capital punishment system. This person's saying more research and forensic science is needed. DNA helps solve. Other ways help in fighting against crime. So all these things are really helpful. So I'm going to just click on one of these. Say you're interested in this. This takes you to the complete article that was written by this person, Richard Hurst, and from this database, this DNA database, a vital tool. Here's the whole article. Here's about legislative costs, what are the risks, etc., and things that are really helpful. So you want to use this, well, you need to cite it, right? So if you click on citation tools, this is criminal justice. So instead of MLA, like you would use for your writing classes, you're using APA. You use APA in CJ, you use it in QCOM, you use it in social sciences. And there you go. For the most part, you wouldn't really, include the retrieve from, but there you are, copy and paste, and your citation is pretty much there. Sometimes you want to check it to make sure it's accurate, but it's usually right there. Just going back, hitting my back arrow. We are in the viewpoints, but I do want to point out there's also academic journals. Academic journals are usually, written by scholars, professors, researchers in the field, and they look the same. They just click there, you get the whole article. This is from the American Criminal Law Review. It's going to be a lot longer because it's an actual research article. But that might be exactly what you need. Same tools are over here. Citation tools, you can email this to yourself, send it to your Google Drive. I use that all the time. I love it. So great tool. And really quick whirlwind, I am going to show you that other database I was mentioning. So I'm going to show you from the very beginning. So I keep hitting back arrows here. Okay, so we're at the library homepage. So we went to the college homepage, we clicked on library databases, top library databases. There we are. So we just go to Opposing Viewpoints. We're now looking at Academic One file. Academic One file is a little bit different because it is having you think about your own search terms. It's usually when you're at a more specific topic. So maybe you are looking at criminal justice and adolescence and juvenile crime, maybe you're interested in something like that. So let's just say, or recidivism. I actually said that word. That's not a good word for me to say. And, you know, juvenile. When I click here, that is going to take me to all the articles, and right now the default is academic journals for recidivism and juvenile diversion. You know, I typed in juvenile because juvenile is what we use in criminal justice. You could also type in teenagers, adolescents, things like that. But again, similar, you would just click here, and it gets you to the entire research article. You can download the PDF if you want to do that, but again, those same citation tools, saving tools over here are on the right-hand side. So anyway, kind of in a nutshell, 5 minutes here, we've tried to walk you through several of our databases. It's just a start. Really one of the most helpful things I hope you can do is just give me a call if you need. Thanks.